Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mazda CX-9 oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the information button, usually located on your steering wheel. You will need to press this button several times to navigate through the various display options on your instrument cluster. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset process. Once you've cycled through the display, keep pressing the information button until you see Maintenance displayed on your screen. This is the menu where you can adjust service reminders. After Maintenance appears, use the same information button or a similar selection control to enter this menu. Within Maintenance, you'll typically find options such as Oil Change or Service Due. With Oil Change or Service Due highlighted, press the Enter button to select it. The system will then prompt you to confirm the reset. Choose Yes or Reset to finalize the process. After confirmation, the oil light on your dashboard should turn off, signifying that the maintenance reminder has been successfully reset. This action tells your Mazda CX-9 that the oil service has been completed. After resetting, start your Mazda CX-9 engine to verify that the oil light stays off. If the light reappears, simply repeat these steps from the beginning, paying close attention to each instruction. Remember, slight variations might exist between different model years, so always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific guidance. This ensures a smooth and correct reset every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.